Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for video editing templates business easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So video editing topic isn't here, so you can select all templates, and in the type of the business you can select services. So here you can search, you can start with one of these templates here, or you can build your own template. So let's get started and let's go. Here you can add your business name, any business name you like for your business. Here you can build your homepage section by section, adding as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section, so you have to try your best to make your site looks better and attractive to attract more people and more customers. So you can do anything to make it looks better than this. So the product section, the services section, and about section, the social section, the forms, and the footer section. Here you have to add page to your site. Choose the color palette, choose any color you like, any color match with your business, and choose the font, also any font you like, any font you see it's better. And now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. Okay, now you choose if you wanna continue and describe something about your website, and choose the writing style, or if you wanna skip just this. I'm gonna skip this. Okay, and now wait a few seconds. So this is your home page right now, so you can edit it. So click here, edit, and the first thing here, you can introduce your brand. So you can introduce your brand, change this, and for example you can type welcome to our site for video editing templates. Okay, like this. Also here you can change the text on this label, whatever you like to type here as you like. Now let's move on to this section. Here you can change the background. You can select just a simple art, or if you wanna use image as a background, select from library and go to the premium image and search on video editing templates. Okay, like this. Okay, let's search here on the free image. Okay, for example, I want just a simple image. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. And here you can change the color of the font here. like this for example, or like this, or much darker. Okay, if you want to add something new on your homepage, just click here add section and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. Also here you can add anything in your section, add image or video or button, whatever you like. Now let's move on to the site header. You can change the site title. You can add your logo image as a file, upload it as a file, or select from library, or add your if you want to add your mobile logo image. That's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So here you can customize the wave intensity, the text size. Here you have first to delete this image. Okay, like this, and select from library and search on video editing templates. You can type anything on the search, anything you're looking for. Okay, alright, I'm gonna choose this. The text here, also you can use this space to talk about your shop and about your products, how and where are they made, what makes them unique. You can talk about your website. So first you can change the, the paragraph to heading, and after this you can change the topic of this text here. So in the background you don't have to add the image as a background, just simple art, it's much better. Also here just a simple art, and now let's move on. Tell people about who you are, your origin, your process, or your inspirations. Here the social media section, you can add the social links, your account, your Instagram account, and don't forget the background. Okay, now instead of this image you can add a map. Okay, and now you can add your address, the business name, and the city and the state and the country, and also you can change the design of the map. And in the background just a simple art, the same thing as normal, like this. Now let's move on. This is the last section, just a simple art like this. That's it. Now after you're done from designing your website and customizing it, that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for video editing templates business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.